Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. Focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be the Luster palette from Alter Ego. I feel like you're going to be seeing them a lot lately because I am just absolutely in love with their products. And here is that beautiful palette. I think this is a dupe for one of the Pat McGrath palettes, but I'm not sure what one because I'm not very versed in the high-end makeup scene. So, but if you know, I'm sure that you know. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. This palette is just beautiful. Like, these shimmers look phenomenal. I cannot wait to try these out and put them on my eyes. So we will, sorry, spilling stuff already. We'll do two different looks because you know that's what we do here. So let's go ahead and let's get started. And I'm going to do, let's see. Let's start with this shade Rare, which is right here. And this is, oh, I just realized this is a mostly shimmer palette, which I love shimmers, so not really complaining. Let's start with the shade Rare, which is this one right here. It is like unusually quiet. Anytime that happens in my house, I get a little worried. Just Sunday, the Sunday scaries for going back to work are in full effect. I'm already feeling like I'm completely off edge, on the edge, jumping off the edge, whatever. Yeah, if you have a job that stresses you out to the point that you can't function, you know what I'm talking about, and I am so sorry. Okay. Yeah, I try to give you guys a warning if I'm like totally off. I feel like all my Sunday videos are going to be like, my mood is going to be down in the dumps and I don't like it. But unfortunately, that's how I am now 6 days a week. So yeah, not fun. Okay, this is a beautiful, beautiful shade. I love how it's going on. I think this is just going to be another kind of more simple look just because there are only two matte shades in the palette and I'm really wanting to jump into the shimmers. So we'll just, sometimes it's good to have an easy look that you can do that doesn't take a lot of effort, that you can just kind of throw on and be out the door. So I'm just going on with the glitter glue. Like, not every look has to be like super complicated. I'm finding more and more that I can really appreciate like an easier look. Okay, so I really want to go in with, Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this shade Magnific right here because that is just really, really pretty. And maybe we'll put like another shimmer like on top or in the center of the eye. Let's just see how I feel about this one shade and then we'll go from there. Okay, this is really, really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, this is like just so pretty. Again, for a simpler look, this is gorgeous. And you could totally leave it at this, but I can't leave things alone. So I do kind of want to put like another shimmer just maybe in the center of the eye. Just because. So I want to take, let's see, I want to take the shade Sacred, which is this one right here. That just, sorry, right there. That just looks so beautiful. And I just want to kind of take my finger and just put that just in the center of the eye. That just looks really, really pretty. Yeah, I really, really like this. This is just simple, beautiful, elegant. Very, very pretty. Okay, so then for the lower lash line, I am just going to take the shade Rare, which is the first shade we used, and just gently place that on the lower lash line. And then for the inner corner highlight, I think we're gonna go in with the shade Crystal right here. Just to kind of give it a little extra something something. That is a really, really pretty shade. It just like is giving the most beautiful little like hint of pink, and I absolutely love that. Okay. Now we are going to start on the other eye. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to go into the shade Mystic, which is this shade right here. And we are going to start that other eye. So you guys, not only are these shimmers absolutely phenomenal, the mattes are like really, really good too with these Alter Ego palettes. Usually you kind of have one or the other that's the standout, but I am like equally impressed with the mattes as much as I am the shimmers. All right, now we're gonna go in with the glitter glue. And I'm going to start with the shade Opaque, which is this one right here. And just put that down all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in with, I kind of go in the shade Radiant and just kind of put that in the center of the eye just to see how that looks. It's really, really pretty. Just add a little touch of something different in the center of the eye. All right, very pretty, very pretty. And then I'm just gonna take that same shade that we started with, Mystic, and that's gonna go on the lower lash line. So again, this shade right here. Just ever so lightly put that on the lower lash line. And then we're going to use that same shade for the lower inner corner highlight, which it was the shade Crystal, which is this one right here. Again, it's just the most beautiful little pop of pink. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm back and this was the Alter Ego Luster palette. This palette, you guys, so good. Like, I'm telling you, Alter Ego, it's where it's at. So here is the inside of that beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, amazing palette. And here are the two looks that I created using the palette. Like, you know, I love the shimmers. I just love how it all came together. A beautiful, beautiful palette that you can get some really gorgeous, stunning looks with just a couple shades. So that's amazing. I love that. And what is on my lips? It is the Maybelline Vinyl Superstay Vinyl Ink in the shade Edgy. This is so beautiful. Like, I'm totally thinking this would be awesome for Valentine's Day. Just such a beautiful, like, I don't know, I'd call it like a purple, like a wearable purple lip. Like, it's just really, really cute, really fun. And also, really quick, this is not a new product, but this highlighter is like absolutely phenomenal. It's the Revlon Skin Lights highlighter in the shade Daybreak Glimmer. I love this. Like, I've been using this so much, if you can tell. At first, I didn't pick this up. It came out like a year or two ago because I thought, like, I'm so fair-skinned. I didn't think that it would work for me. But let me tell you, freaking phenomenal. Let me just try and swatch it really quick. Like, here, let me, hoping that that shows up. But I mean, it is absolutely phenomenal. And I think you can get on Amazon for like under $7 or $8. So, or at least I think that's what it was when I bought it. So if I remember, I'll link it down below. Yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Just thank you for being amazing. Just remember that you are loved, you are beautiful, you are just freaking fantastic. And just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you're an Alter Ego fan, like, comment down below what your favorite Alter Ego palettes are. If there's some palettes coming out, I know there have been some like really cool Valentine's Day things coming out. Beauty Bay came out with a new palette. I did pick it up, and then I picked up the Glam Light Betty Boop palette, so y'all will be seeing those coming up soon. So yeah, just let me know what y'all are picking up, what you're loving lately. I would love to hear about it. And just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.